2023 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.